Welcome to the BodyCompScale Desktop App tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up and using the software to run tests, track patient history, and generate reports. Make sure your scale is connected to your computer. If you need assistance with setup, visit our website for installation and setup support. Double-click the BodyCompScale icon on your desktop to open the application. Enter your PIN to log in. Default is 8888. You may change this PIN at any time for enhanced security of your device and patient data. In settings, you can customize your layout by selecting medical or fitness mode, choosing the unit of measure, and entering your company name. Navigate to the patient portal to access existing records or add a new patient. To add a new patient, enter an ID. You can use an existing patient ID system if your clinic has one. First and last name, then click Save. To begin a test, select a patient and enter the name of the staff member conducting the test. Click Start Test, then have the patient step on the scale and follow the display prompts. When the data appears on the scale, press the graphic button, then press Enter to send the results to the computer. The BodyCompScale provides a comprehensive body composition analysis, displaying the patient's data. Additionally, separate tabs provide energy results and segmental analysis for a deeper breakdown of metabolic rate and body composition distribution. After reviewing the results, you can print a summary report using any standard printer, save results as a PDF to email directly to patients, generate a custom summary printout, allowing you to select specific data points to include. You may also use one of our professionally designed printout templates, featuring a full-color breakdown of body composition, metabolic rate, and health risks. The software allows you to import and export patient data for easy backup and sharing across multiple computers. If you need additional assistance, visit our support page or contact us directly. With the easy-to-use software, customizable reports, and seamless data management, it empowers medical professionals, weight loss clinics, and wellness centers to track progress, engage patients, and enhance care. Whether you need quick in-office assessments, detailed health reports, or seamless data integration, the BodyCompScale streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on what matters most: your patient's health and success. Experience the next level of body composition analysis today.